Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add background music in Capcut. Let's get started. Here I have imported my video to Capcut and we're going to add background music on this video. And first of all, we can click on audio option right here. Then choose sound. Choose sound right here. Just click on it and then actually we can choose either we add background music that has been available on Capcut, or we can also add the background music from our device. If we want to add music that has been available on Capcut, we can click on this button. But if we want to add music from our device, we can click on this button. And I'm going to add music that has been available on Capcut, so I'm just going to choose this one. And don't forget to download the music first by clicking on the download option right here. I'm just going to add this one. And wait for a moment, it's still downloading, guys. Alright, and after the music has been downloaded, we can click on this plus button to add this music to our video. But if we want to add from our device, we can simply click on this button like this and click on from device and choose the music that you want to add to your video. And don't forget to click on this plus button right here. Okay, and I'm going to add this music. Alright guys, now the background music has been added to our video, and that's how we can add background music in Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.